Hi everyone, I am Kavya Sharma. Welcome to Exam Unlock. In this video, we'll cover over 30 questions that are important for JKPSC prelims and UPSC prelims on weather, cloud, avalanches, cloudburst, evolution, GLOF. So let's start. The first question is, which of the following factors are the most critical for triggering a cloudburst in Himalayan region? First option is orographic lifting of moisture causing rapid condensation over a small area. Second option is high ambient temperature in valley leading to increased evaporation. Third option is presence of stratus clouds framing over flat plains. And the last option is lunar gravitational pull influencing a local rainfall. So the right answer is option A. Why option A? Because a orographic lifting of moist air that causes a rapid condensation of a small area, that is the reason for cloudburst. Second, which combination of natural and human factor aggravates cloudburst damage in hilly area? So answer is steep slopes, deforestation, unplanned settlement. Next, third question is rapid evolution of cumulonimbus cloud leading to a cloudburst is primarily due to. The answer is strong convention, convection currents, high humidity, and a steep topography. Next question is dew point plays a crucial role in cloudburst formation because. The answer right is where when A. When air temperature near dew point, rapid condensation release latent heat, fueling convection. Next, fifth question is the Himalayas experience frequent cloudburst because. The right answer is option A. That is, moist monsoon winds rise over steep mountain causing rapid condensation. Next question is, which of the following best describe the relation between cumulonimbus cloud and a cloudburst? The right answer is option A. That is, towering cumulonimbus clouds store a large amount of water, releasing it suddenly over a small area. Next, seventh is a cloudburst is best defined as. The right answer is option B. Sudden, a very heavy rainfall over a small area in a short time. Next, eighth question is cloudbursts are usually associated with. The right answer is option B. Cumulonimbus clouds. Next, question number 9 is which factor is essential for cloudburst formation? The right answer for this question is option B. Strong convection currents and saturated atmosphere. 10th question is devastating cloudburst in Jammu and Kashmir in 2014 primarily affected which region? The answer is B. Anantnag. I have added one picture also of 2014 when this cloudburst leads to a heavy flood in that area, and that is triggered by a cloudburst in 2014 in Anantnag district, which causes a massive destruction across the valley. Next, 11th question is cloudbursts differ from ordinary rainfall mainly in. The right answer is answer D. All of the above. Amount and intensity, duration, area covered, all of the three above. Next, 12th is unlike meandering rivers, cloudburst induced floods are. The right answer is option B, sudden and destructive. Question number 13. Dew point is defined as. The right answer is option B, the temperature at which air becomes saturated and condensation begins. Next, question 14. Cloudburst is more likely when. The right option is B, dew point in is high and close to air temperature. Question number 15 is convection in meteorology refers to. The right answer is option B, vertical movement of water air due to heating. Question number 16 is cloudbursts are strongly influenced by. The right answer is option A, convection currents in lower troposphere. Next, question number 17. Which of the following is direct effect of a cloudburst? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Flash flood, landslides, soil erosion. 18th, secondary impact of cloudburst includes. The right answer for this question is D, all of the above again. Road and bridges damage, crop loss, food insecurity, waterborne diseases. Question number 19. Evolution in fluvial geomorphology refers to. The right answer is option B, the rapid embedment of river channel and a formation of a new river channel is called evolution. 20th question is which of the following processes is responsible for the formation of V-shaped valley? The right answer for this question is option B, river erosion in mountain region. Question number 21. Rapid condensation in small area leads to. The right answer is answer B, sudden torrential rainfall. Next, question number 22. Which of the following is preventive measure against cloudburst hazards? The right answer is answer A, proper watershed management. 23. Early warning system for cloudburst include. The right answer is all of the above. Satellite monitoring, Doppler radar detection, local rainfall sensors. Next, 24. Which of the following is the primary advantage of using Doppler weather radar in meteorology? The right answer for this question is option B. It provides a real-time data on wind speed and direction within storm system. Next, 25th. The evolution of landform is primarily driven by. The right answer is option C, the interaction of climatic factors with the earth's surface. Question 26. The process of meandering in river leads to the formation of. The right answer is option B, oxbow lakes. Next, consider the following statement about river evolution. Part 1 is evolution leads to a formation of new river channel and can significantly alter the landscape, which is right. Second is the process is typically slow and occurs over centuries. No, the second option is wrong. So the answer will be option A. And next is 28. Which river basin in Jammu and Kashmir is most prone to cloudbursts induced floods? The answer is option C, Jhelum, because Jhelum is more prone to cloudburst because of its topography. And next question is 29. Glacial lake outburst flood occurs when? The right answer is when a glacial lake suddenly breaches its natural dam, releasing large volume of water downstream. The last question is which of the following factors can trigger a GLOF in Himalayan region? The right answer is option D, rapid glacier melting due to climate change, landslide or avalanches into the glacial lake, earthquake destabilizing the moraine dams. Now, there are some terms which are difficult for you and they are geographical terms. So, let's understand that. Number one is GLOF. What is GLOF? GLOF is a sudden release of water from a glacial lake, usually dammed by moraine. But what is moraine? Moraine is rock and soil debris, act as a natural dam at the end of the glacier. Next, avalanches is a term that has mentioned in the question number 29 or 30, I think 30th. What is the meaning of avalanche? Avalanche is snow or ice disaster. And landslide and avalanche are the same thing, but the difference is in landslide, the soil and the rock come downwards, downstreams, and in avalanches, snow comes downward. So, this is the main difference. That's all for this video. All these क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव डन टुडे ये मैंने कल वीडियो में एक पढ़ाया है क्लाउड बर्स्ट, उसके साथ रिलेटेड है. सो प्लीज़ जिसने ये वीडियो नहीं देखी है गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द क्लाउड बर्स्ट हैपन, मैकेनिज्म, इफेक्ट्स, उसका सब कुछ पढ़ाया है. उसमें क्वेश्चंस भी मैंने मेंशन किए हैं जो आप मेंस के लिए लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस टॉपिक इज़ मोर क्रूशियल बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाउड बर्स्ट इन ऑल द नदर्न हिमालयाज की वजह से क्रूशियल हो जाता है फॉर यूपीएससी ऑल्सो, फॉर जेकेपीएससी ऑल्सो. सो प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच माई वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.